In this video, I'm going to show you how to record high quality screen recordings in OBS. Now, OBS is an open source software. If you're new to OBS, you can come where it says obsproject.com/download. Now it's available for Windows, Mac OS, and even Linux. Right, so let's get back to the software. Now, before we start recording the screen, the first thing we need to do is to come here where it says Files, and let's come to where it says Settings. Now, you want to come here where it says Output, and come here where it says Recording Quality. Under Recording Quality, make sure that you are using indistinguishable quality. Now, out of the box, OBS will be set on high quality, medium size, but just make sure you're indistinguishable quality, large files. Now, the files are not even that large. You can also change recording format, but I'll leave the things the way they are. So let's just click OK. You want to come here where it says Scenes and click on this plus sign. After you do that, I'm going to call this screen recording, right? And click OK. Now here under sources, just make sure that this is highlighted. Here under sources, you just want to click the plus sign and come here where it says display capture. Just going to click on that. And I'm just, you can give it a name if you want. I'm just going to leave it the way it is. Click OK. Here, capture method. I prefer using this one. That's written Windows 10, 1903 and up, right? This is for when you're using Windows 10 or Windows 11. Since I'm using that, I'll pick this option. If you're not, you can leave it on automatic or use this DXGI desktop duplication. But I'm just going to leave it here. Under display, I just want to pick my monitor, right? Now, since I did that, you can see that it's already in the preview window. Now, if you want to record with audio as well, we have to come back to the plus sign and just make sure you take this one that says audio output capture. Just click on it. And I'm not just going to leave it the way it is and just click OK. Now here, device, I'm just going to pick headphones, 4C audio. That's the output device I'm using. I'm just going to click OK. So this time around, it will record with the audio, right? The last thing that's left is to make sure that I take this preview window and make sure that it's on the program. If I don't do that, it won't record. So I'm just going to cut to the main program window. And you come here where it says controls. I want to click on start recording. At this stage, it's already started recording the screen. Now, let me come to this video of mine. I'm just gonna click play. All right, I'm just gonna pause this and go back to my OBS and stop the recording. So our recording has been captured. Now, to view the file, we come here where it says File, Show Recordings. As you can see, it's in this folder called OBS Recordings. So this is the last one. I'm just going to double click it to show you what the quality is like. So I'm just going to double click it. Camera and glyph matrix combo. As you can see, the quality of the recording is top notch. Actually, it's indistinguishable quality, which means this is the highest quality you can record in. So that is how you capture high quality screen recordings in OBS. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up. Otherwise, I will see you in the next video.